So you're able to like it's funny because you're saying it earlier, you're able to refactor so fast and just like that. Like imagine doing this on your own, man.
Yeah, you'd have to go through a bunch of documentation, trial and error. Bugs possibly.
Possibly. You mean bugs. You mean bugs. You mean bugs.
So here was doing some refactoring.
Automatic refactoring. And how tell persons how long did that refactoring take? Did it take weeks? Did it take days? Or did it take a few seconds?
Took an hour.
Yeah, an hour max. Can you believe that?
So you can read the documentation. So here,
Pulls up an actual link. Wow, look at that. That's crazy. You're showing me up here because I admittedly haven't been pushing like actual working code into it. I'm just kind of smashing it a bit for front end. So I'm gonna start doing that. Like that actually makes so much sense because sometimes I'm just like, just shift the element to the left, bro, please. Like I'm gonna lose my job if I don't get this, and it's like that makes so much sense. I'm gonna start doing that definitely. So thank you for that.
yeah, that would trigger me. Let me see if I can find another example.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this is open source software, and what I wanted to do was create my own version. So I copied the entire code from the repository on GitHub. This is what it looked like. So
Yeah.
welcome to midday, etc., etc. Let's look at mine.
Welcome to Doxer. That's sick.
Yeah, so there are similarities. I didn't want this photo section, some of these, so I changed up the design a little bit. So this would just be like version 1. The font and text is also a little different. This would be like version 1, right? You let cursor get the code from somewhere else, a code base that actually knows what it's doing. Because like I've never worked in a React email. That's what's creating the email that you're
Right.
here. So instead of writing raw HTML, CSS, you can put React code right here, and it will turn it into what we're seeing. So yeah, you get the actually good code, and then you let it refactor it, and then as you go along, if you see certain stuff where you prefer, or maybe there's a different app now that also have something good,
Dub.co. Yeah, Dub is so sick.
so you can get a lot of different examples of stuff.
Right.
Maybe you want this section, or you want this section. So you would now go to the open source software. We have Dub here as well. Email. So this is also something else. We could paste both of them into cursor. Then we would say no, we want this section or that section. And you can also say no, search through my entire code base and understand the context of what's actually going on, and then we will refactor the email to talk about our project.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's huge.
Something like that we could take like 2-3 hours. We can do it in a few minutes.
Yeah, exactly. A few seconds to be honest. Like it's just gonna grep and just search. It's gonna search through your database and be like, okay, this is what's going on and stuff like that. Okay, man.